Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about employee activity monitor application using Gemini. I did this application just to monitor suspicious activity among your employees. So it is a simple application that you can try on. So it's a backend where I just mentioned the input manually. I just gave the employee names and I just connected with some of the basic activities that they perform and some of the activities which I mentioned as illegal. So that you need to define before going to specify what is legal and illegal. So the machine will understand, okay, what all things that they are doing at this time or on this application, it is illegal, and it will just understand that it is a suspicious behavior and give us the critical analysis on it and what are the measures that we need to take it out from it. So this is like very basic application, which is completely similar to anomaly detection and other applications we say, the suspicious employee monitoring application. So it is that. So I'll just show the prompts that I gave. So these are the prompts and which will specify for every task. Here individually I can monitor and overall I can monitor. So these are the things that I included in this application. And yeah, we'll see how it is actually performing. So here is the front end. Um, so we have like four employees in here, and these are some of the employees who were identified as suspicious. I'm just going to try some of the suspicious employees activity in here. Let's say like these are the file accessed by them, and these are the alert which generated for those files. Let's see like what happened. Yeah. So we got the alert message. What it actually describing is the account logged in at 3:15, access 342 files. So it is a summary of what this particular person has done and the details of anomalies and recommended actions. So confidence score is 95 percentage, which means they have performed something wrong. The same goes with other things, and here we can just say there is nothing in here. So there is nothing in here, so it is no suspicious activity by this particular employee. So just said there is none. And you can do full analysis also here. Just refresh and do it. So if you see here, it finished the full analysis for suspicious activities. And you can do the same for other things also. I mean, for non-suspicious. But yeah, it is same. So I'll upload this application in Git repo. You can make use of it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.